Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you a beautiful hand embroidery on an orchid flower. For that I am using four colors of thread. First we are seeing its stem. I am using is a couching stitch. For that I am using the green color anchor embroidery thread. So its number code is about 0889. So after doing the couching stitch with the stem, we will move to the leaves. For the leaves I am using the lacy simple lacy daisy technique and will fill the two sides of leaf together. Here also I am using the same green color thread with 0889 number. So for the leaf I am using six numbers of embroidery strands, and for the stem I am used 12 strands of embroidery anchor embroidery threads. And nowadays I'm having some cold, so some change will be there on my sound. Please adjust with the sound. Kindly please adjust with the sound. So we are saying that simple lacy destiny technique for doing the leaf. For keeping this stitches and all and the flowers should be clear. I'm keeping the design in a horizontal way. So thank you for the patience. Hope you all are enjoying my videos. How is my videos? If you are lacking anything in this video, please give me a comment in the bottom. I will try to improve myself. Next, for doing the flowers, we are using three colors of thread. First one is the purple. Its number is 0100. That is anchor embroidery thread. And the second one is the orange in color. Its number is about 0306. And the third one that I am not showing here, that is in yellow color for the center of the flower. Its number is about 0291. So we can start with our flower stitching. For that I'm using twisted blanket stitch. We should do the first the normal chain or a lacy step. We should wrap the needle and we should pull it out. We should prick the needle from the base, should go a little more up. From the opposite side of the blanket stitch we should twist it or wrap around the needle. We should hold it tight and pick the needle out. So the normally how we are doing the blanket stitch for no, for that opposite side we should move the thread and we should hold the thread tightly. As I am telling every time, I am telling the same thing that the important tip for a perfect twisted blanket stitch is to keep our thread very tight in to avoid the loose in our stitches. So the same thing we are continuing here. Here we are saying the ending of a stitch. For that, if we are doing the last stitch, we should go in front stitch and we should pick in the same side. In the upper side itself, we should pick to downside of the pick downside to the fabric to secure keep the stitch secure here. For doing this orchid, I am planning for the first three petals in purple and the remaining two petals in orange color. So here I am using the orange color embroidery thread with the number code 0306 and it's in the 6 strands of thread. I am using the same twisted blanket stitch and we will complete the embroidery stitch. For the alignments of thread, I am using here the brush, small baby's toothbrush for making the proper alignment of the thread. After doing that, we should use the yellow thread. Its number is 0291 for the straight stitch for the center portion for the pollen of the flower. So we are using the straight stitch slowly and we should keep the alignment of the threads, otherwise it will get loose and the flower beauty will get loose. So hope if you are enjoying my video, please give me a like, share, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.